Just testing my BBC to USB keyboard conversion kit, which I've bought previously. The links will be on the description. Works fine. It's going to be a PC conversion. I'm still working on which motherboard I'm going to put in there and which power supply. Capital cap shift, checking it. One of these buttons that works fine. Checking all the letters, seem to be working fine. Yeah, all the letters seem to be working fine. Spacebar works. Everything's great. Everything seems to be working okay. I put a fan on the top, stop it melting when I put my motherboard inside. I'll show you inside. That's the conversion kit. Good, isn't it? I didn't need that, but I'll leave it in there anyway. I could have got one plugged it straight into the speaker, but I wasn't too sure if the speaker, the one I'm getting, was going to work, so I bought that one. But I'm quite happy with that. It seems fine. Still makes a noise when you turn it on. I just got to work on the right motherboard now.